Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Rani. So today we are going to do a no contact reading for Aquarius. So this will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. In this reading we will see the current overall energy in this connection or in this situation and your energy, your person's energy and the advice for you. So as I said, please take what resonates and leave the rest. The roles can be reversed, so see how it connects with you. Okay. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The details are in the description box of this reading. Alright, let's start. What's the overall energy in this connection, Aquarius, with the person you are not in contact with? Person may be in your mind 24/7 or even every now and then. So let's see what is the overall energy in this connection. Wow. Overall energy in this connection, Aquarius. Okay. I think you are tired of dealing with the same situation for so long and you are like, I have given my best. I have put in all the efforts required from my end and now I cannot take any more. I don't have any more strength to give anything even more in this connection and I just want to see where it goes. All right, let's clarify what this person think about you. What does this person think about you, Aquarius? What does this person think about you, Aquarius? The person definitely thinks about you a lot. There is a passion towards you. They feel very attracted towards you. They are also thinking about you. Even they think this is this is something which universe has bring in their life, and they definitely think about you a lot. They also see future with you. Let's see, what does this person feel towards you, Aquarius? What does this person feel towards you, Aquarius? Yeah, they definitely want to make a move towards you. There is so much of love in this connection that this person is definitely thinking of making a move towards you. They feel emotionally connected, emotionally, it's a kind of a soulmate energy basically, I feel. A very good card when it comes to love. There is a soulmate kind of energy. You both are ready to, provide emotional support, love to each other, ready to put efforts here. But then why has this person gone silent? Why there is silence in this connection? Why there is silence in this connection? Maybe it's a judgment card. Okay, so I won't show this card on the video, but I will definitely read out the message it is giving. Maybe for some of you, you would have realized something. It's like a kind of a new birth, right? You would have seen things from a different perspective, or different kind of situation you would have come across, or a difficult challenge which you would have come across, and because of that you are seeing things from a different perspective, different angle. Okay, and just trying to process whatever happened, and that is why they are taking their own time. And sometimes to take time is important so that you have much more clarity about what you want in your life. Okay, let's clarify the judgment card even a bit more. Let's clarify the judgment card here. Let's clarify the judgment card, Aquarius. Yeah, six of swords. Sorry, six of swords. You're ready to move on. Sometimes you need to let the universe take the charge and make you move towards what is for your own good, for your own best. Sometimes you have to leave a particular belief system. You have to come out of a particular belief system and move out from that chaotic situation and let the universe decide where do you want to take. It will take you to the shore for sure. You might go through, you would have gone through. Six of swords in clarification to judgment is like you have definitely come across a difficult situation, a challenging time, a challenging phase in your life, and now it's time for you to move forward by surrendering to the universe. This will definitely help you to come out. This time period, this pause in this connection will definitely help you to get a clarity and move out of this turmoil of this difficult time. Okay, let's see what is blocking this connection. What is blocking this connection here? What is blocking this connection? Okay, I think because one person here is feeling that I am tired of putting everything in this connection and I just want to now wait and watch, is giving this person, either you or this person, you are not in contact with, this feeling that the connection is ended. But it's not the end, I see. It's not the end, I see. It's a difficult time you are going through, because since you are not in talking terms, you are not talking it out, whatever is going through in your mind, in your heart, whatever you feel, you're not sharing it. It's kind of giving this energy of, that situation, the connection is ended. But I do not intuitively feel that it's ended. I don't know why. Maybe for very few of you it can, it can be the case. But let's see what is the next move, if any, this person is going to take. It's a definitely it's a tough time you are going through in your life, but try to see things from a different perspective. If there is a chance, then try to open up and express what is running in your mind. Let's see if there is a communication coming in. Let's see if this person might reach out to you, or you will reach out to this person in next 10 to 15 days from now, Aquarius. What is the next move? What is the next move? Okay. Knight of Pentacles. We will clarify Knight of Pentacles. There is definitely the person, or you are planning to communicate, but it's just too slow. It's too slow. The movement is like kind of stuck. The things are running in mind, but actual action is not being taken here. Let's clarify it even a bit more. Please clarify Knight of Pentacles for Aquarius. Ace of Swords. Too many thinking, too many thoughts running in your mind. Maybe you are also intuitively, very strongly, you are getting messages, okay, that what you need to do in your life, where do you need to focus your mind on. You may be having so many thoughts running in, that this is the case, this is the case, that is the case, but you are not able to come to a conclusion. The guide you have to do is connect with your higher self. Stop thinking a lot and start doing what is important for you, because you have to, again, 3 of Wands and the Star card. You have to listen to your, you have to connect with the higher self by doing some meditation, listening to your intuition, and letting go of what is not really meant for, and focus on moving out. 6 of Swords and 3 of Wands. Again, it's like moving towards your own growth, and focusing on what is you need to actually focus on, and what you need to let go, basically. So it's like, listen to your intuition, connect with your inner self, connect with your higher self, do some meditation, and you will get much more clarity on what you want in your life. Okay, I do see there is the communication, definitely, either you or this person wants to communicate, but everything is running in head. It's like too much of thinking going on, but no action being taken. Either you are thinking of move ahead in your life, maybe with or without this person. This person is thinking of moving ahead with or without you, but there is definitely so many thoughts are going on about this connection, about the relation you had, about the emotions you share, but nothing actually an action being taken. If there is a communication going to happen, expect it to happen in the next 3 days. And if the communication is happening, be very clear in your communication. Okay, express and say very clearly whatever you want or expect from this connection, and whatever has happened, be very clear about your communication, about your needs, and what you're going through, or what you want in your life going forward. All right, let's see what is the advice for you, Aquarius, here. Yep, see, King of Wands. Be very clear about what you want in your life. Be very focused on where do you see yourself, where do you see this connection in the long run, and basically it's like setting boundaries wherever it is required. If something is not acceptable to you, you have to be very clear cut about it. You have to be very open about it, and you have to see things from different angles, from different perspective, and try to see the bigger picture, try to analyze every single situation and then make a decision. Basically focus on what you want. It can be, if you want to focus on your career, focus on your career. If you want to focus on your relation, focus on it, but with this with this clarity and mindfulness about what you want in your life. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.